Okay, friends, so I'm here with the ninth characteristics of successful people, and that is be dangerous. See, right from the childhood, our parents, our elders, they tell us to be safe, be careful. Whatever work we do, they are just preparing a safe environment for us, safe house. They will, or whenever we are going out, they will say, be safe. But here, what the successful people they say that we have to be dangerous. Now, what does that mean? So, whenever we will follow the route or the path of the cautiousness, we will never follow the 10x rule. We'll never work at the level of 10x. So, we have to take the dangerous path. We have to accept some challenges while facing the danger so that we will become successful. So whenever you are on the 10x path, and the 10x path, you know by now that the thought level, the action level, and the goal level, we have to think 10x time more than our current capability. Then only you will get the success. And while doing so, you will face the new challenges. Some danger will come, but you have to overcome everything. You have to become dangerous. Then only the success will come to you. So this is the ninth characteristics of successful people. I will come with the next characteristic soon. Till then, bye bye. See you.